The Cálida coast in Murcia is one of the most valued in Spain. With 300 days of sunshine per year and an average annual temperature of 18 degrees C, La Manga del Mar Menor has become a Spanish tourist reference point in recent years. This is where Los Flamencos residential will be located, in Playa Paraíso, a set of homes specially designed so you can enjoy them throughout the year. Very close to here, walking or cycling, we have really spectacular landscapes and kilometers of beaches. This area is very well connected with different cities, both by plane from Murcia or Alicante airport, or by car, train or coach. You can also discover our millenary city, Cartagena, and enjoy the Museum of the Roman Theatre, the Old Town, or try one of our special coffees called Asiáticos. Simply delicious. So now you know, great beaches, sensational sunsets, or an historic city. Wow! Awesome! It's amazing the number of ways there are to enjoy the surroundings. Wow! This is the Mar Menor, a saltwater lagoon with over 170 square kilometers of calm waters where you can practice sailing, windsurfing, kitesurfing or canoeing. As you can see for yourself, here you can enjoy nature and the fantastic conditions of the Mar Menor, which are perfect for practicing any sport. Did you know that this is one of the best preserved seabeds in the whole of Europe? 19 square kilometers between the Cabo de Palos lighthouse and the Hormigas Islands.